Our hair is more than just strands. It's confidence, identity, and self-expression. But when hair loss takes that away, finding the right solution can be overwhelming. That's why DC Hair brings you our premium lace frontal wigs, designed not just to restore your look but to bring back your confidence. Crafted with 100% cuticle-aligned virgin raw Indian temple hair, our lace frontal wigs provide the most natural hairline possible. Whether you're experiencing hair loss at the front or severe thinning, our wigs blend seamlessly, giving you the freedom to style your hair just the way you like. We use imported wig caps that are properly shaped for a comfortable fit. With a weaving area of 13 by 4 and 6 inches, our multidimensional weaving technique ensures natural movement, making it impossible to tell where your hair ends and the wig begins. Unlike mass-produced wigs, every DC Hair lace frontal wig is 100% handmade weaving by skilled artisans. Each knot is carefully secured, ensuring zero shedding and no hair fall, even during styling and combing. Our wigs also come with a pre-plucked hairline, mimicking natural hair growth, so you get a flawless, realistic look right out of the box. For the perfect finish, we've already bleached the knots, so there's no extra work needed before you wear your wig. Plus, with free parting, you can style your hair in any direction you choose. Comfort meets security with our adjustable wig bands and wig combs, ensuring a snug, all-day fit. And for those looking for extra hold, we've added an invisible non-slip poly strip at the front, keeping your wig firmly in place no matter what. Not all wigs manufacturer are created equal. Most wigs in the market use non-REME and chemically processed hair. These hairs have misaligned cuticles, leading to tangling and shedding. To hide this defect, a chemical coating is applied, but over time, it wears off, causing breakage, roughness, and an unnatural look. DC Hair is different. Our hair is ethically collected from Indian temples, sourced from single donor, ensuring uniform texture, strength, and natural flow. With all cuticles intact and aligned in one direction. This means no tangling, no chemical coatings, just pure, long-lasting beauty. Designed for women experiencing total hair loss due to alopecia or severe thinning, with DC Hair, you get 100% natural Indian temple hair with no synthetic or mixed fibers. Every wig is hand-knotted by skilled artisans, ensuring no shedding and no tangling. The knots are pre-bleached, so you don't need to do any extra work. We offer free parting and fixed parting options, so you can style it your way. And our wigs can be bleached up to 613, giving you complete freedom to customize your look. For over 10 years, DC Hair has been setting the standard with 2 state-of-the-art factories and more than 80 skilled artisans dedicated to crafting premium quality wigs. It's time to take back your confidence. Get in touch with us directly on WhatsApp and find your perfect wig today.